Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is just a really pretty pink and purple spring look using the Shannnxo Remix palette. I used the remix side to create this look, this whole bottom row. This was also the look I was talking about in a couple other tutorials where I said I really wanted to use this purple shade right here, which is Lover. And this is the look that was like envisioned in my head, and it came to life and it came out exactly how I pictured it. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. First, I'm picking up the shade Bestie on my Morphe M441, and I'm just popping this in the crease. Bestie is acting as my transition shade because, as you can see, it is a very light, like dusty rose color. Next, I'm picking up Bestie in Baby Girl, and again, just popping this in the crease. This little combo of Bestie and Baby Girl, it is really pretty. I actually really like it a lot, and I'm just, sweeping this in the crease. As you can tell, Baby Girl is that shade that I think a lot of people are scared of, but I like it. Once it's like really blended out on the eye, it looks really pretty. Next, I'm taking Bestie, Baby Girl, and Lover, and I am just popping this in the crease. When you mix Lover and Baby Girl together, oh my god, the shade, color, whatever, is just so pretty. I love how it looks when it like blended together. It just makes like a really pretty pinky purple. So next I'm taking Lover and Baby Girl on a dome brush from e.l.f. and I'm just really focusing this on the outer V. I didn't really pick up any Bestie just because I felt like it would have kind of been pointless, and it was very vibrant without Bestie. So next I'm taking Lover on a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just packing this on the lid. This shade you really have to pack on. This shade and I think Baby Girl are one of the couple that you're not supposed to really use on your eyes. And so you really have to pack it. I think it's like a pigment or something. I don't remember why, but yeah. So next I'm just blending everything out with my Morphe M441. I didn't add anything to the brush. Just going back in with Lover and Baby Girl now. And I am just putting this again on the outer V with that dome brush just to make it nice and vibrant and just blend it together. Next I'm taking all three of those shades I used in the crease, Bestie, Lover, and Baby Girl, and I'm just smudging those along the lower lash line. I'm using that IBY brush I got from my February Yes Oh Yes bag. Next I'm taking the Stila Glitter and Glow in the shade Sea Siren, and I'm just putting this in the inner corner of my eye, and I just love how this looks. This shade, I got it a while ago from Nordstrom Rack, and I love it. Next I'm taking this Kevyn Aucoin white eyeliner, and I'm just going to put this in the waterline just to really open up the eyes a little bit and make them look a little bit brighter. I just thought it added like a nice pop to the eye as well. So next I'm just going to go finish up the rest of my face off camera, and I am back. I did my mascara, all that stuff. Next I'm taking my Rimmel Stay Satin Liquid Lip in the shade Psych. It's this really pretty like light nudie pink. It is my favorite right now. I'm sorry I'm using these Rimmel Stay Mattes a lot, or Stay Satins. I just love these liquid lipsticks. They are so good. You guys need to check them out. Go to Walmart for them because they're under $5. I think they're like $4 and change. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. If you want to see more tutorials using this palette, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.